Hello friends, this is Dreikur with the Teaching and Learning. Today lesson 25, Pedagogy. In this lesson, I'll be telling you about the synchronous and asynchronous. As you remember that in lesson 24, I mentioned that there is a difference between synchronous and asynchronous. So in the hybrid and blended learning, I have differentiated. Okay, so today I'm going to differentiate it between synchronous and asynchronous. What are these, and how these learning and teaching styles, they are different and so similar to each other. Those who didn't subscribe yet, okay, don't forget to subscribe. Teaching and Learning. For more videos, okay, press the bell button. If you have any suggestion and comments, please write in the comment box. Okay, I'll be trying to reach you as soon as possible. So let's see how synchronous and asynchronous are similar and different. First, we need to understand the meaning of these two words. What are these two terms? Okay. Now, in simple words, synchronous and asynchronous. Synchronous means real time, and asynchronous means not real time. These are the dictionary meaning, okay, which I'm going to share with you. But what exactly the real time and not real time? Now, real time means that instruction of the teaching and instruction of the time of the learning both takes place on the same time. Instruction of the teaching, suppose a teacher who is teaching in the classroom. At the same time, a student should listen and learn, and they have an opportunity to interact with the teacher. This is exactly real time. However, not real time, that means the instruction time should not take place at the time of the learning. For example, while a teacher, he or she is teaching, the students, it's not necessary that they should learn or they should listen or to interact. Okay, it should be posted or it should be tracked or streamlined or it can be uploaded. Okay, but the time of the learning should be decided by the student. So we can say it's not a real time, it's a scheduled or unscheduled by the students. We'll go further what are exactly and how we can differentiate more. Now here you can see here on the screen, a real-time learning, teachers and students interact at the same time. How we are interacting, okay? While teacher is writing something on the board, is the equation or something, okay, map and other information, okay, and the teacher has to ask the questions, student has to respond, okay. It doesn't mean that it's only the online learning, okay. It can be through Microsoft Teams, Google's Classroom, okay, and it can be face-to-face learning, okay. So both should take place at the same time. However, you can see here, asynchronous learning happens on your own time. Suppose a teacher uploaded videos and give the instructions, assignments, okay, all the notes, resources, okay, but he decided or she decided, okay, a time frame that you have to submit this within 2 weeks. Now this time period, okay, as a student you have to decide that at what time you are going to learn. So this flexible time or this schedule of time has been decided by the learner, not by the teacher, but the deadline, which is a flexible time, okay. So it's not the same time in the real time of the instruction. So when your teacher provide you all resources to meet the deadline, so deadline can be 2 weeks, 1 month and 3 months, okay. So between these 3 months, okay, on which time period you want to study, evening, night, daytime, okay, that's your own schedule, but the deadline will remain the same. So that is the not existing on real time. I'll be telling you some more common methods about that. You can see here, real time learning can be online videos, conference, okay, live chatting and live streamed, What other examples we can see that we have right now in the COVID? Microsoft, which is the online, okay, the classes, and Zoom classes, okay, and we have Google Classrooms. Same, these are the online platforms, okay, and the actual classroom where the teacher and students both are present on the same time and they are interacting, okay. So this is a synchronous real-time learning. However, I'll not say the online, but somehow it's a online. Asynchronous, it's a pre-recorded videos, social media platforms, online discussion, okay, which is recorded and stored, okay, and virtual libraries, okay. And I can say that notes, it can be offline. Sometimes the students, they use the hard copy of the notes, and they use other books and all these things, okay, in sense of the hard copies in order to meet the deadline. So this is doesn't mean, okay, but I do believe that right now in the digital time period, most of the even we all prefer to work digitally, not to prefer the notes and the hard copies, okay. So I believe that in future it will be considered as an online, okay, but pre-recorded videos and social media platform. So friends, this is the difference between synchronous and asynchronous, okay. I'm sure that you liked it, and if you want more video for the pedagogy license and teaching material, don't forget to subscribe, okay. Write, if you have any question, you can write in the comment box, okay. We'll be meeting in the next lesson with the new theme. Till that, bye, have a nice day, stay blessed and stay safe.